must be hooked good. It's not the world's biggest fish, but it's sure nice. Back up and let me have your side now.
First view of it I got was
Can't realize farther than that. That is a fatty. Oh. There you go. Watch that. Okay, still good. Doggone you fish. I can't. Well, you better not come off now. I'll be so pissed. Oh, bull crap. He was just straight down
I know
there.
what you're talking about, that angle. I had your fish right there too. And
Lord, please. Yes.
hey,
Hip-ho!
hey.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Jesus.
Oh, it's some nice hands all we got to say about that. That's a box full. That's what we're going home with.